Hello everyone, I am Soham Adak and this is my SSR e-commerce product management dashboard. It's a full stack admin platform built with Next.js 14 app router designed for high performance, security and scalability. The system supports secure authentication, complete product management, analytics and is fully deployed and responsive. Now this is the live deployment link. We will open this in a new tab and this brings us to the login page. The credentials of the admin have been mentioned in the README file. Right, now we click login. This brings us to the dashboard page. Right, so we can see the number of products, the total stock, the inventory value, and we have a few analytics charts as well. This is the revenue trend over the last few months, the category distribution. Each of these sectors correspond to a different category, which have been mentioned in the red here. And this is the stock by category bar graph. So we can see all of these categories, how much stock they have, and the top products by inventory value. These are the top 5 products by inventory value, and all of these get updated in real time. Like for example, I want you to notice the number of products in the total stock, and this will change after we add or delete any product. Now moving on to the products page. These are the products for now, right? We can have a look. So this is the image column. The images have been stored in Cloudinary, and these are the names, the prices of one unit, and the stock has a particular threshold. When the stock goes below that, then they are flagged under a low stock. Otherwise, they are flagged under a in stock. And we have 6 or 7 categories under from which we can select from. And for each of the products, we can edit or delete and even add new products. Like for example, let's say we want to delete this product. We click this, and it goes away. Now moving back to the dashboard, the number of products get reduced, and so does the stock. Now we'll try adding a new product. We can add either using this, or we have a separate panel. Right. Now all the data fields have been validated by Zod. Let's say we assign a single letter and a negative price and a negative stock. Let's select any category. You can select any image as well. Right. The data fields have been validated by Zod. So because the stock and the price cannot be negative, so we'll get an error, and the name of the product has to be at least 2 characters. So when we click create product, it will ensure that the garbage data does not reach our database. Right. So we modified it to some new values, and we'll click create product, and we can see the product has indeed been created with the specified value, and because the stock was lesser than 10, it's flagged as a low stock. So we can again edit the product and increase it to a higher value and save the changes. We can also edit the images and names, by the way, and we can see it's again in stock. Now all these changes are reflected in the dashboard in real time. Number of products has increased, so it has the stock and the value. Now this admin page contains the details of the admins. So far we have only one, which has been listed in the README. Now furthermore, we also have the global search bar button, in which we can search any of these products. Let's say we have potted plant set, we'll search that, and this brings us to the details of this product, the name, the price, stock, the category, and the image. We can edit it from here as well. I'll show you a few more. We can select any of this, right? It brings us to whatever product we want, right? This is the project overview and key features. The project uses server components for heavy logic and minimal client-side JavaScript. This provides fast load times, search engine optimization, and strong security. The client-side components are used only where the interactivity is required, such as charts and forms. This is the tech stack I have used in this project, and the project structure and architecture has been listed here. These are the steps to run the project locally, which is not needed, by the way, because the application is fully deployed on Vercel with environment-based configuration and production-ready performance. The link to which is here, and you can use these credentials to access the admin dashboard. Thank you for watching.